Good morning, my dear students. Well, unfortunately, this is the only way I can communicate with you. Let's first start off by saying how much I miss you. I miss every single one of you, and I do hope that you had a wonderful spring break. And on top of that, I hope that you are remaining calm. I hope that you are remaining safe. And more than anything, that you are keeping that social distance. I know a lot of you are like, yay, no school. Well, there's a reason for that. Just remember that, okay? Talk about real world scenarios. Haven't we been talking about that all year round? How I have lived history and I have experienced a lot of things that I see in history books today. Well, guess what? When you go to high school, this scenario, this real world situation, you will see it. Why does my phone always do that, or my watch? You notice it always does that when I move my arm? Well, anyway, you are going to see it in the history books. You can say, wow, I remember that. I remember that. This is why I love history so much. I get so excited because you are living history every single day. Literally, you're experiencing something new. I do hope that you are evaluating. I do hope that you're being observant of what is happening, because you'll be able to talk about this when you get older, right? We talked about that. So with that said, the most important thing is remaining calm, keeping that social distance. This is all new to us. A lot of us don't know what's happening. We're kind of rolling with this on a day to day, right? Please know that it's confusing. It's confusing to me, it's confusing to you, it's confusing to many people, because it's the unknown. It's something we don't know, it's something we haven't experienced, right? And it can be pretty scary, right? So with that said, social distance, okay? The reason for my video is a couple of things. One, the district has provided the students with some learning tools. There's some digital resources out there for you that you're able to open by using your student portal ID to obtain the information that is in there for you so you can continue learning. Basically, what you would be learning this week is in there for you. Okay, obviously it's not everything, but it's something to at least give you an idea of what you need to know, right? Now, with that said, I think a lot of you have already done this, but that Saturday when you went on spring break, I created a quizzes, basically telling you on the quizzes or on the message stating that some of the information that was on the quizzes you had not learned, because I was supposed to teach it to you this week, but it's still, I like putting them on the quizzes because it kind of gives you an idea of what you're going to learn. But when we are learning it, and once you keep practicing and practicing and practicing and seeing those questions or those reading excerpts over and over, you have an idea of what I'm talking about when I teach you that information the following week. So, originally, you had a Sub-Sahara Africa vocabulary quiz that was set for this Friday. Because that we are unable to go to school, obviously you're not going to have that quiz, right? So what I'm going to do is, because the quiz's link was set to expire this Friday. Some of you have already taken the quiz. What I'm going to do, because it will not let me extend it, I'm just going to copy the quiz, copy the link, and extend it for maybe 2 more weeks, okay? If you already took the quiz and you are happy with your grade, you're done. If you want to retake the quiz, because I always take the highest grade. You could take it over and over and over until you're satisfied and you've learned it and you feel comfortable with it. Remember, those questions are shuffling, so you can't memorize it, right? You got to learn it. So if you're happy with that grade, you're done. If you're not and you want to do it again, okay? Now, because that first link will expire on Friday, use the second link. I will have reports that are emailed to me, and it'll have your information, and it'll tell me what your grade is. And I will just highlight and look for the amount of times that you took it, okay? I mean, it's time consuming, but I want to give you the highest grade. The most important part of all this is that you use your real name. I have received some notifications of people using nicknames. Please don't do that because I can't give you credit. Okay, it doesn't. It just sends me a report of everybody that's taken my quiz, but it has a nickname. Use your real name. Okay. Um, let's see. I think that's it. So remember, go to your student NISD. Go to student portal account to access resources. I'm looking at it now. So the link is NISD distant learning page. You'll use your NISD student portal account to access resources. Okay. Obviously, you're going to see all grade levels and content areas. Choose your grade level. Okay. And then go through all the content that's put out there for you. The district has worked so hard to do this for you. So please take advantage of it. I know that some of you are probably enjoying this time off. That's good. I'm glad that you are, but at the same time, we got to keep that learning going, right? Because we may return soon and you have to know this stuff. With that said, I'm available to you and your parents at any time. Do not hesitate to email me. That's what I'm here for, right? I'm still your teacher and I'm still here available to answer any questions that you may have. Okay? I miss you so much and I can't wait to see you. Please remember, stay calm, stay safe, keep that social distance, and know that you are all in my thoughts. Okay? All right, my angels, take care. I hope to see you soon.